Imagine this, you're committed to gaining weight. You're eating more, but all you're seeing is flab and no muscle. Sounds familiar? This scenario is all too common. It's a classic case of wanting to bulk up, but going about it the wrong way. Let's get into some of the common mistakes people make when trying to gain weight. First off, eating more does not necessarily mean eating unhealthy. Sure, it's easy to reach for junk food, it's fast, it's cheap, and it's high in calories. But these calories, often referred to as empty calories, do nothing for your body nutritionally. They just add fat, not muscle. And then there's the not exercising part. Gaining weight is not just about eating more, it's about balancing your food intake with physical activity. Sitting on the couch all day munching on chips isn't going to get you the muscle mass you're aiming for. Another common mistake, not eating enough protein. Protein is the building block of muscles. Without enough of it in your diet, your body can't build and repair muscle tissue effectively. So while you're increasing your calorie intake, make sure you're also upping your protein. Neglecting strength training is another pitfall. Lifting weights and engaging in resistance training are crucial for muscle growth. Cardio is great for overall health, but if you're looking to gain weight and muscle, you need to incorporate strength training into your routine. And lastly, not getting enough rest. Your body needs time to recover and rebuild muscles after workouts. If you're constantly pushing yourself without giving your body time to rest, you're not going to see the gains you want. So let's wrap this up. Eating unhealthy food, not exercising, not eating enough protein, neglecting strength training, and not getting enough rest are all common mistakes when trying to gain weight. So, if doing it the wrong way will just leave you flabby with no added muscle to show for your efforts, what's the right way? Stay tuned as we delve into that in the next scene. Before we dive into the secrets of successful weight gain, let's get the facts straight. The science of weight gain isn't as simple as just eating more. It's about what you eat, when you eat, and even how you exercise. Firstly, let's talk about muscle growth. Contrary to what many believe, muscles aren't built during a workout. Instead, they're built in the hours and days following your exercise session. When you work out, you create small tears in your muscle fibers, and it's the repair of these tears that causes muscle growth. This process is called muscle protein synthesis. Now, what fuels this process? You guessed it, protein. This nutrient is the building block of muscles, and without enough of it, your body can't repair and build those muscle fibers efficiently. But it's not just about protein. All nutrients play a part in muscle growth and weight gain. Carbohydrates provide the energy you need for a strenuous workout, and fats are essential for hormone production and nutrient absorption. But here's the kicker. To gain weight, you need to be in a calorie surplus. This means consuming more calories than your body burns. To put on a pound of weight, you need a surplus of around 3,500 calories. But don't rush to the nearest fast food joint just yet. These calories should come from nutrient-dense foods, not empty calories. You want to fuel your body with the best, right? So, in essence, the science of weight gain revolves around a balanced diet rich in protein, fats, and carbohydrates, a well-planned exercise regime, and a calorie surplus. It's a delicate balance of all these elements that will help you gain weight and muscle in a healthy and sustainable way. Now that we've got the facts, let's move on to the methods. You're eager to gain weight, but you want to do it healthily. Let's talk about how. Gaining weight isn't about chowing down on junk food and sugary drinks. It's about incorporating nutrient-dense food into your diet. Foods that are high in nutrients but not overly high in calories. Think lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. For example, a nutritious weight gain meal might include grilled chicken breast, steamed broccoli, brown rice, and a drizzle of olive oil. Now, if you're serious about putting on weight, you'll also need to consider strength training. Lifting weights is a fantastic way to stimulate muscle growth and increase your overall body mass. It's also a great way to ensure that the weight you gain is muscle, not fat. So, start incorporating strength training into your weekly routine. You don't need to become a gym rat overnight. Even 2 to 3 sessions a week can make a significant difference, but let's not forget about protein. Protein is the building block of your muscles and plays a crucial role in weight gain. Aim to include a source of protein in every meal. This could be through lean meats, dairy products, eggs, or plant-based sources like beans, lentils, and tofu. And don't forget to replenish your body with a protein-rich snack after your strength training sessions. Remember, gaining weight healthily isn't about quick fixes or magic solutions. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle. It's about eating a balanced diet that's rich in nutrients. It's about making time for regular strength training. And it's about ensuring you're getting enough protein to support muscle growth. And above all, it's about consistency. Consistency is the secret ingredient to any successful weight gain journey. So don't be disheartened if you don't see results immediately. Keep at it, stay dedicated, stay consistent, and most importantly, stay patient. Because with time, you will see results. Remember, the key is consistency. Keep at it and you'll see results. Want to turn that weight into muscle? Here's what the experts recommend. Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, strength training is key. Experts suggest incorporating resistance exercises into your routine at least 3 times a week. This could include weightlifting, body weight exercises, or even high-intensity interval training. These exercises help stimulate muscle growth by causing small amounts of damage to the muscle fibers, which then repair and grow back stronger. Now let's talk protein. The building block of muscles, protein, plays a vital role in muscle repair and growth. Consuming an adequate amount of protein daily is essential to support muscle gain. A general guideline to follow is consuming 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight each day. This could come from sources like lean meats, dairy, eggs, or plant-based proteins like lentils and quinoa. Equally important is the role of rest and recovery. You might think that more exercise equals more muscle, but that's not quite the case. Your muscles actually grow when you're resting, not when you're working out. That's why experts recommend ensuring you get a good night's sleep and giving your muscles time to recover between workouts. Overtraining can lead to injuries and hinder your muscle growth, so don't skip those rest days. And don't forget, hydration is key. Water helps transport nutrients to your muscles and can help you perform better during your workouts, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Lastly, remember, consistency is king. Muscle gain doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort in both your workouts and nutrition. So stick with it, and over time you'll start to see those gains. The road to muscle gain isn't easy, but with these expert tips, you'll be on your way. Keep pushing, stay motivated, and remember, every step forward is a step towards your goal. So there you have it. The secrets to gaining weight and muscle the healthy way. Today we've debunked the myths about weight gain and shed light on the science behind it. Remember, it's not just about eating more, but eating right. Consuming nutrient-dense foods, plenty of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates is the key to healthy weight gain. We've also emphasized the importance of regular, targeted exercise. It's not enough to just gain weight, you want to convert that weight into muscle. Strength training, weightlifting, and high-intensity interval training can help you do just that. And let's not forget about the role of rest and recovery in this journey. Your body needs time to repair and build muscles after a workout, so make sure you're getting plenty of sleep and taking rest days in between intense training sessions. As we've discussed, gaining weight and muscle is a journey that requires dedication, discipline, and patience. It's not going to happen overnight, but with consistency and determination, you will see progress. Now, it's time for you to take action. Start by setting clear, attainable goals for yourself. Make a plan that includes a balanced diet and a regular exercise regimen, and remember, it's okay to ask for help. Whether it's a personal trainer, a nutritionist, or just a supportive friend, having someone to guide and motivate you can make all the difference. It's your turn to embark on this journey to a healthier, stronger you. Don't be afraid to take that first step. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Here's to a healthier, stronger you.